break has been confirmed. Gross GST collections for the month of October stands at over 1.5 lakh crores, the second highest collection after April this year. GST collections have been above the 1.4 lakh crore mark for the past 8 months. Earnings. Sun Pharma performing better than expected in Q2 despite weakness from Taro. Revenue jumped 14% compared to the same quarter last fiscal. The stock touched a fresh 52-week high today. Nykaa's parent company FSN E-commerce Ventures reporting a consolidated net profit of over 5 crores for Q2 of this fiscal. This is a 330% jump if compared to the same quarter last fiscal. Revenues coming in at 1,200 crore rupees. That's a 39% year-on-year increase. Aviation advisory firm CAPA India expects the Indian aviation industry to significantly increase losses to touch $2.5 billion, up from its earlier forecast of $1.4 to $1.7 billion. Danish Anand joins us now with the latest. Danish, what exactly is CAPA projecting?
Well, the Centre for Aviation, that is CAPA, has released the midterm outlook of the Indian aviation sector for FY23, and according to this outlook, the upcoming 12 months for the Indian aviation sector seems to be very tough on the backdrop of rising geopolitical tensions, high fuel prices, high interest rates, high inflation, and expected labor shortage in many parts of the world. Well, according to this report, the upcoming 12 months will see a lot of hardship for the Indian aviation sector, as it is also expected that the Indian aviation sector could see losses up to $2.5 billion. Talking about the low-cost carriers first, the low-cost carriers can see losses up to $1 billion, and the full service providers, they can see losses up over $1.5 billion. Besides this, CAPA has also said that as far as the future fleet is concerned, due to the supply chain issues, there will be late deliveries of certain aircrafts, which might create more pressure on the balance sheets of the various airlines that operate in the country. But all in all, if we see, the upcoming 12 months for the Indian aviation sector seems to be very hard.